Hey folks, so I just got a plugin approved by the WordPress Plugin Repository, and I wanted to show you what it looks like to get this set up and onto the repository itself. So you can see here that it says this plugin is approved and waiting data upload, but not visible to the public yet. Oh man, can't read. So make your first commit and the plugin will become public. Wow. Okay. So very cool. What happens is you get an email and it looks like this. I just took a picture of it. Congratulations. The plugin hosting request for goal progress tracker has been approved. So very cool. And they give you a SVN URL and a public URL. And this is the public URL right here. And then there's some instructions. So you have to upload your code via SVN. And your username is this, and you get your credentials from my account and security. So on your WordPress.org profile, and all of that kind of stuff. So I wanted to show you all what that looks like, and I've got my terminal here ready to go, and I've got the instructions for what we need to do here. So this is under the using Subversion part of the documentation here, and I'm on the starting a new plugin section. So it says that we need to make a directory, and then we need to get our SVN repository here. You can see it's the plugins.svn.wordpress.org repository, and then you need to identify the directory you just made. So because mine is called goal progress tracker, I'm going to call it that. So make dir, and it's goal progress tracker, and I've got that. And then I want to SVN checkout. So SVN checkout, and then I've got that, and I'll just take this last part here, goal progress tracker, because that's it. Okay, so I have checked it out. So then we want to go down and add our code. So probably the easiest way to do this is going to be to cd into goal progress tracker. Great. So now I'm in here and basically need to move my plugin files over. Check everything in. So you can see here, SVN check-in, and adding first version of my plugin. Okay, so I've opened up my goal progress tracker here, and the trunk folder is where I need to put my plugin files. So I do have these exported and ready to go. And so I will just click and drag them over into the trunk. So I've got the main plugin.php file, my readme.txt file, and src and build. Great. Currently my asset folder is empty, and that's where your icon and other screenshots and stuff like that will go. I'll deal with that in a different video, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this all checked in and launched. So I want to SVN add trunk. Okay, so everything's been added here. That looks right. And then I need to SVN check in with a message. So SVN check in dash message, and I'll just say initial commit, and then hit enter. So then you have to authenticate, and I need the password. So that gets set up again here, and you can always regenerate a password. So I'm going to grab my password that I already have, paste that in. Okay, so I was able to figure that out. I just need my username and then my password. I'd copied it wrong. So this is the Subversion password that I copied from here when I regenerated it. So now you can see that it's transmitting the files, committing the transaction. Cool, and it's done. So let's go back here and refresh. And this is refresh, but let's go over to browse the code here and let's check out the trunk. So now this is all there. And I can also tag it if I need to. And this will be version 0.1.2. So you do SVN copy, I want to copy trunk to tags, and I want it to be 0.1.2. Just triple checking. So then we're doing that, and then I can SVN check in tag version 0.1.2. Same thing. And now you can see that it's already authenticated me, so I'm sending up my tag and it's committing the transaction. And while it's doing that, let's go over to the code. And yep, you can see that my tag is there now. So that's basically it. I think I just have to wait a little bit longer here for this to go back to, oh, here we go, stable tag. This is good. Basically now we've got our SVN repo up here. We've committed our code, we pushed it up, and it's all checked in, and I just need to fix this. So hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.